Teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Good, let's start. Could you tell me about yourself? What's your name? What's your age?
My name is Harvey, but my English name is Timmy.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Good.
My name is Quang, but my English name is Light. And now is the year I am 12 years old.
Good. So guys, let's talk about science and technology. Do you have your own gadgets?
Yes.
Yes.
What gadget is it?
I also have smartphone and computer.
What about you?
I have a computer and a smartphone.
Good. How much time do you use them for your studying or relaxing time?
I also use for my study 2 hours a day.
What about you?
I often spend from 1 to 2 hours in a day.
Good. Okay. Is there life on other planets?
Yes.
Why do you think so?
It's like Mars, Moon, or animal. I have an animal. Water is a key material to have life. And I think what planet have water? I think this planet have life.
What about you, Miss?
I think oxygen is the key of material in other planets, because if there isn't oxygen, we can breathe to survive. And if you want to live in other planets, you will have oxygen mask.
Okay, let's talk about communication. Have you ever made video calls?
Yes.
Yes.
Which do you prefer, video calling or face-to-face meeting?
I think it's face-to-face meeting, because I can let me think.
Okay, what about you, my friend?
I think I prefer anything, but I like the video call because it both have a good advantage. Face to face, you can talk to your friends or your family. You can laugh, and you can express the emotions. In video calling, you can call some people, but without the distance.
Yes, it's very convenient for us when you don't have enough time for meeting.
Yeah.
Right? So we can have a video call. Okay, very good. Let's talk about our planets. So guys, who will ask the questions?
Me.
Okay, let's ask the first question.
Where is the Jupiter?
Oh yeah, the Jupiter is located in the 5th planet from the Sun.
Next, what is the Jupiter's name after?
A great question. After the Jupiter named the king of Roman god Jupiter.
Interesting.
Do you think Jupiter is brighter than Earth?
I think it's so, because in my opinion, in my point of view, the Jupiter is the 3rd brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon and Venus.
Good.
What is the natural disaster on Jupiter?
In my opinion, the natural disaster on Jupiter is hot storm, because it's also ocean.
Huge.
rich stone because it's also made extremely large. One named the red spot.
Okay, let's continue.
Do you know what are Jupiter made by?
I think the Jupiter made by rock, metal, and hydrogen compound.
Last, how is Jupiter's atmosphere?
Atmosphere.
The Jupiter atmosphere is very special because Jupiter atmosphere is about 90% is hydrogen. It's impossible to breathe.
Okay, good guys. Let's take a look at the next part of our today's speaking test. Imagine you are having a presentation about the greatest inventions of humanity. Let's discuss to choose one of the following inventions to talk about.
Let me go first. I think the greatest inventions of humanity is mobile phone. Because in the past, when we didn't have the mobile phone, we send message or call by a letter. But if you use a letter, it's very too long, and sometimes it can lost. But now we have the mobile phone. We can send a message to some person if you want to talk or to call, or you can choose calling video to meet them anywhere.
Good, agree.
But not only it. In mobile phone have so many functions. First is a camera function. If you found beautiful scenery, you can use the camera function to take a photo or take a video. If you don't have clock or watch, you can use your mobile phone to see the time. Or you can use clock function to use alarm clock. It can help wake up you in the morning.
Agree, very good. What about you, Miss?
I think mobile phone is a great invention, but in my opinion, the greatest invention of humanity is the electricity. Because before people use oil lamp, star or moon to provide light. But today, people use the electricity to use fan, light, air conditioner.
And even mobile phones.
Yes.
Right? Will they work without electricity?
No.
No, they will not.
The electricity can provide some reason from some main reason to help our life more convenient, because we can live without the electricity. We need electricity to live and to work. For example, we need electricity to use smartphone, laptop, or internet. We use electricity to cooking, showering, and working. If we don't have electricity, we can not live easier. This is the main reason of why we need to protect our electricity. We need to protect our electricity to have to use some equipment in my house. But I think smartphone is great invention of humanity. How about you?
I think your electricity is a great invention because my mobile phone can't use without the electricity. Electricity have some electric applications active.
Okay, guys, I agree with you. Thank you so much for this discussion. Let's finish our today's speaking test. So and say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.